Welcome to Goodwood Festival of Speed 2023, and I'm here with Renault UK this year. Last year I was here, there was over 200,000 people in attendance, which is fantastic, and there's going to be more people this year. And this year I get to check out the all-new Renault Austral E-Tech, full hybrid, which is amazing. Check out the Renault 5 prototype as well. They've got a special edition version of that, and actually, this year, I actually get to do the Hillclimb, which is going to be amazing. I cannot wait. So, first thing first, Renault are doing bigger and better things this year. We have this big booth behind us, and we have plenty of cars that we're going to take a look at. First of all, we have this all-new Renault Austral E-Tech full hybrid, and this is the iconic Esprit Alpine version, which looks amazing. Look at it. Here we have a Matrix LED vision, fantastic, nice and bright. And we have the Renault logo there, which looks great as well, nice and modern. 20-inch alloys, we have Esprit Alpine logo on the side. On the inside, we have two 12-inch displays, Google built-in, Harman Kardon sound system, and there are 30 ADAS systems in this particular car. We have 9.3-inch head-up display, wireless charger, we have few USB-C ports around the car to charge your devices, and for performance, you're looking at up to 60.1 miles per gallon and up to 683 miles driving range. You can even drive up to 80% of city driving in full electric mode and up to 70 miles per hour in 100% electric. For better handling and smaller turning circle, there's also 4Control Advanced, which is a 4-wheel steering. Inside the back seat, it's all about comfort and space. Look at this, you can even move the back bench so you get more space as you wish. And here we have the Renault 5 prototype 100% electric. Let's take a closer look. This is the iconic R5 Rebirth, and it's a lovely prototype. Look at the front, we have those subtle LED lights all around it. We have the number 5 written there, nice and subtle. We even have the French flag over there, and as part of the partnership with Roland Garros, Renault has developed a revamped version of the R5 show car in this all-new metallic satin white. So you have the Roland Garros Paris logo on the side there, which looks pretty neat. We even have this wide wheel arch on the back as well, looks very sporty. And if we look up top, we have the fabric soft top on here, nice and neat. On the back, we have full bar of LED light strip on the back, 5 on there, and big Renault logo, which looks fantastic. Unfortunately, we can't get in this one, but Renault say this will do 248 miles on the WLTP. I can't wait to see this on the road. Boom, so it's time. We're going to be doing the hill climb that I've been looking forward to. It's my favorite part of today. I'm going to be in the all-new Renault Austral E-Tech full hybrid, which will be excited to see how this performs on that hill climb. Legendary hill climb, not many people get to do this, so this is actually quite exciting for me. So I cannot wait, and yeah, good to go. There we go. 0 to 62 in 8.4 seconds. Let's go. Brilliant. Grip is good. Love it. That was really good.
Good.
I want to go again. 1 minute 27.
Good stuff.
Come on. Boom. We did it. I did it. We're back safe and sound, and that took about 1 minute 27 seconds. At first I was nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but in the end it was a lot of fun, and I'll definitely do it again. So man, what an experience.